Hi, I'm Dr. Sireesha Reddy, Chief Gynecologist at Motherhood Hospital's Hebbal branch in Sakarnagar, and I practice obs and gynae and with special interests in laparoscopic surgery and infertility treatments. After an abortion, may it be medical or surgical when you look at it, when you have a medical abortion, till the bleeding stops, the lining would not be regenerating. Once the bleeding stops after the medication process is completed, the lining rebuilds and it would take 3 to 4 weeks after stoppage of the bleeding to start your periods. Likewise, when you go for a surgical abortion, once the products are all cleared off at the procedure, usually in 2 to 3 days time your bleeding should settle off and the lining will start rebuilding. So that would again take 3 to 4 weeks time. By and large, whichever method of abortion that you've chosen, may it be medical or surgical, you should have got your period by the end of a month after the process.